Crypto options are a type of derivative contract agreement that gives the holder the right, the option, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a specific underlying asset, such as a cryptocurrency, at a set price, referred to as the strike price, up until a set future date, also known as the expiry date. In this video, we will discuss about the crypto option trading in details. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex, and many more. So, watch this video till the end and hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So, let's begin the video. Call options and put options are the two main types of options. Both can be entered into as a long position, buying the option, or a short position, selling the option. They are also leveraged instruments because the amount paid to hold the option is small relative to the total contract value. Similar to futures, options can also be cash settled. The amount paid by the option buyer to the seller is known as the premium. At any time before the expiry date, the crypto option holder can decide whether or not to exercise their option. A major factor affecting this decision is usually where the market price is in relation to the strike price. This determines whether a profit or loss is made from exercising the option. Options are referred to as in the money, IDM, out of the money, OTM, or at the money, ATM, depending on where the current market price is compared to the strike price. The option holder can also decide not to exercise at all, even when the expiry date occurs, in which case, the option expires, and the holder just loses the premium paid. Options can also be categorized as American or European style. By their respective definitions, American options can be exercised anytime before the expiration date of the option, while European options can be exercised only on the expiration date. If you are still watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe, as that motivates us to bring more videos like this for you. Option payoff diagrams help to visualize the profit and loss scenarios from different option positions. In the option payoff diagrams below, Jane is our hypothetical trader. Assume the strike price is $100 and the premium is $2. Long call option. It profits when the market price is above the strike price, plus the premium, because, theoretically, Jane could exercise the option and buy the asset at the lower strike price, then sell the asset at the higher market price. If the market price is below the strike, then Jane would not exercise the option, thus losing the premium paid. Short call option. Profits are limited to the premium received from selling the option. Losses occur when the market price is above the strike, plus the premium. Long put option. It profits when the market price is below the strike price, less the premium, because, theoretically, Jane could buy the asset at the lower market price, exercise the option, and sell the asset at the higher strike price. If the market price is above the strike, then Jane would not exercise the option, and thus loses the premium paid. Short put option. Profits are limited to the premium received from selling the option. Losses occur when the market price is below the strike, less the premium. There is a special option called a knockout with a predetermined floor and ceiling level, also known as the barrier price. The option contracts automatically terminate, get knocked out, and cease to exist if the underlying asset's price touches any predetermined levels. This is not to be confused with the strike price, the price at which the option holder buys or sells the asset if they exercise their right to do so. The knockout feature potentially limits profits and losses for both option holders and option sellers. Share about your thoughts in the comments section below to let us know. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay fit in health and wealth.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.